you doing, man? Bro, where have you been?
They're not thankful, man. Like, I go help them, they're like, dude, I don't need your help. Like, why you help me?
You can't think like that. You gotta think of the positive and not the negatives. Because when you help people, the people that don't need help are the people that need the most help. And you may not realize that, but soon you will.
But it's so annoying. I go there, I help them, and they're just like, bro, why are you helping me out? I don't need your help. I'm so independent. I don't need your help. Why are you helping me? It gets on my nerves. Like, I can't do it.
Bro, don't ever change the way you are. You're always gonna be like that. Stay pure to your heart. I'm telling you this because I know how kind-hearted you are and I know how many people you help every day of your life. So don't go missing like that. You know how many times I've been wondering where you were? I needed you, man, and you weren't there.
Everyone else is not needing my help.
Listen, let's take a seat and let's relax and we can talk more about what's been going on and school and stuff.
Bro, look, I really don't want to sit right now. It's just not my thing. Do you think we could just take a walk instead?
Let's go take a walk, man. Come on. Bro, you have all these absences. Like, don't you want to go to school?
I do, but every time I go, like, always, like, these irritate me.
Hold on, give me a second. Yeah, hello? Are you serious? I have to go now? But I'm with my friend. Okay, alright. Bro, I'm really sorry. I know we planned to go. I really have to go, man. I really am sorry.
Bro,
It's
all I have right now, it's like, I want to spend everything. Like, why do you have to go now?
Bro, I'll see you.
Alright. Bro, what's up? Hey, you want me to come over? Alright. I'll see you there.
I like cars. Hey, dude. Well, this is the reason why I called you. This is my cousin Nikovic. Nice to meet you. Well, the reason why he's here is because he's a Greece refugee and he doesn't know much English and their family's in poverty. So I have to take care of him. But I chose to take care of him because of all the good things that you do. I realized that I could do good things too.
I really don't think that what I did really influenced. Like, I understand like what you mean. I did like some good things, but honestly,
this is where the story ends, my friend.
Bro, are you okay? That sounds like some like stupid ass line.
Well, now that my cousin's here and I have to take care of him, I can't afford to be living around this area, which means I have to move with my family to Alabama.
Bro, you're just making me take someone else today.
Bro, I'm serious. I really have to go. But remember what I said. Don't ever stop giving up. Remember, stay pure to your heart and stay true to yourself. Please, always help people, man. I'm sorry.
I'll try.
I'll call you. I'll make sure everything's okay, and we have to go, bro.